When come to the real Bangalore itself, Bangalore lakes itself. So Lakshman Rao have been appointed as the Lakshman Rao committee. Lakshman Rao is being a great bureaucrat. He was able to collect the data and information and given a list about around 2,800 lakes are still live and protect all the lakes. But little problems are there, you can solve. Lakshman Rao submitted a report clearly giving the real picture of each lake catchment, what is happening where, what type of interventions are required. It was not a complicated thing. So with that sort of a recommendation by a competent person whom the government appointed, if they would have looked into the Lakshman Rao's report, so at least about 3,000 to 4,000 lakes would have been preserved, protected. And each lake also had ponds. Kunte, they used to tell kunte, percolation tanks. So he also recommended to consult me. Then I explained about the importance of the pond or the kunte and how it has been interconnected. When the water comes to the pond, so the non-point source contaminants and the other organic matter, it treats. Each pond was serving like a mini wetland. In Kolar and also in Bangalore, even in Anakal itself, there were nearly 25 kalyanis. Today the kalyani has been filled with garbage, placenta, medical waste, and all the lakes in 270 lakes in Anakal Taluka alone is filled with poison. So likewise, Hoskote Taluka, Bangalore urban district I am talking, Bangalore South Taluka. So there are 199 village panchayats in Bangalore urban district. We conducted some sort of a workshop to all the panchayat development officers and informed them about the importance of the lakes, etc. They are doing some fairly good work because we motivated them after conducting some workshops. A very good chief executive officer is an IAS officer, Sanappa, very committed man, and he consults Bangalore Environmentalist, and our team also gives some sort of a technical inputs. So number of PDOs and EOs. For instance, Madhupura EO done wonderful work of restoring about 25 lakes, beautiful lakes. So the number of lakes is still alive, but filled with garbage, sewage, encroachments. So as a law, mercilessly throw them out. So the government, with their wisdom, reduced the 60 feet Rajakalve to 15 feet. And Chief Secretary presided with all stakeholders to regularize that encroachments of reducing the Rajakalves from 60 feet to 50 feet. Chief Secretary presided over the meeting. So if the government is sensible enough today, they should prosecute that officers. Of course, it is due to, I cannot blame the bureaucrats. It has been ordered by the political masters because 99.9% of this encroachment is taken place by political bosses only. Starting from a corporator to the MLA to the all kinds of people. So A.T. Ramaswamy committee appointed by the government clearly with facts and figures who encroached where, how much, with full details. There is no further investigation or inquiry or any other body to investigate. Beautiful document. Balasubramaniam and A.T. Ramaswamy team produced a beautiful document for 3,000 acres of the government lands, which was a catchment area for the lakes. Have been encroached. Document is there with the government. So it is government nominated committee. What action has been taken? Why should they hesitate? What prevented them? What more document you want? Why do you want another committee? Why do you want Koliwal committee? Why do you want another committee? So if you talk to A.T. Ramaswamy, I was with him from last so many years, and when we have given documents, who encroached, how much of area, how much of rent he is getting, what is the value of that land today? It is in crores. So the beneficiaries are getting crores and crores of rent from government encroached lands. Today, Bangalore is suffering. So when some low-lying area or slum is affected, nobody bothered. When it is affecting the elite class. So when Bellandur Lake, we were discussing in the committee meetings, Mr. Siddhaya was a BBMP commissioner. He was also retired. He was also a member of that committee. There we discussed, we have given solutions, meaningful, holistic solution. It cannot be rectified in ad hoc projects. It requires a holistic solution of source to the container, container to overflow. That is, container means Bellandur Lake, all the lakes. 40% of the lakes or 50% of the lakes are silted up. Storage capacity came down. So in the olden days, farmers used to collect that silt and put it in their agricultural lands. Now there is no farming. Silt accumulated, plastic accumulated, all kinds of garbage has been dumped into the lakes. It is not known to the community or to the government. Everybody is a party for that. So nobody want to touch. So the garbage business in corporation is 500 crores or 400 crores. Is controlled by mafia. They dump wherever they want, climb the bill. So it is so many crores is spending in BBMP. So they don't allow anybody else to discuss and talk about it. My problem is when I met some corporators, they are not prepared to listen these things because corporators fully aware, and the MLA is fully aware about the garbage collection and its income and its profits. So garbage is not a waste. It is a resource. It will generate money, which we pointed even Bellandur Lake is not a liability. Bellandur Lake is a asset.